Britain was the key to invasion, the stepping stone, the storehouse.
Food, guns, planes. By ship from America. In World War I, the Royal Navy bore the brunt of the Atlantic battle.
But in World War II, the Navy has a new ally, the RAF, Coastal Command. Two services, one task: protect the ships.
Protect the 10 million square miles of sea. That was the task of Coastal Command.
And the men of Coastal Command protected the ships. In 5 years, they flew 200 million miles, journey equal to 400 return trips to the moon.
But we were short of planes and short of naval escort. There were vast gaps in the Atlantic net, and in those gaps, the enemy waited and struck. Hitler handed out medals to his U-boat commanders, and the commanders handed out a few more to their crews. And their boss, Admiral Dönitz, told them, "An aircraft can no more eliminate a U-boat than a crow can fight a mole."
But as the war continued, air power began to take effect. Coastal covered the seas from bases in Britain, Iceland, Gibraltar, and from new bases in the Azores. And from these bases, the gaps in the net were closed. Find the enemy, strike the enemy.
Find the enemy, strike the enemy.
But Hitler had some more aces in the pack. The Bismarck put to sea, a big ship and a dangerous ship. A ship that could fall on a convoy like a wolf on a flock of sheep.
But from the moment that the Bismarck weighed anchor, she was watched, trailed, and shadowed. Shadowed by irritating little specks that wouldn't be shaken off. Little specks that told the Royal Navy where the Bismarck was to be found. find the enemy, strike the enemy. The Bismarck went down. She had not sunk a single ton of merchant shipping.
And in Britain, the stuff that goes to make invasion was arriving by the thousands of tons, by the millions of men. Hitler had lost battle number 1.